Hi, I got my trial copy of Home Designer Suite open. I'm just going to draw a rectangle like this. But the dimensions don't matter for this particular tutorial. Okay, you can see auto roofs is on. I didn't realize that auto roofs were on. Let me go back to, let me get rid of the dashboard. Go back to the floor plan. Now I'm going to open this wall and go to the roof tab and tell it to have a gable wall. And then that'll create a gable there. I go over here to this wall, open that wall, go to the roof tab, and tell it to have a gable wall there. You see we're parts of the way there. Now you want a gable here, or you could want a gable there. And the way you do that, with the wall break tool, I'm going to line my cursor up with this long wall here and put a break. And then I can take this segment of the wall that I broke off and tell that segment have a full gable there. And then thus we arrive at what I think you were talking about. See? And how that's done is explained over, let's see, let me go to build roof. Yeah. See, there's a roof styles and each how to set up for each of these roof styles. Each one of these is a tutorial article on how to set up the automatic roof generator. Now in Home Designer Pro, you have manual tools to expand on this, but for architectural and suite, this is it. And here's the where you get an explanation. Let me just click on shed roof. So you get a help article, takes you to a help article, and it tells you how to set up to auto generate a shed roof. Okay. Okay, that's about it. I hope this helps you. Thank you.